Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. We are starting in Beau's room here. It's kind of clean-ish. We're really just picking up. I'm gonna vacuum. I am gonna mop. I'm not gonna do that to the very end. I'm gonna do the whole house at one time. Not sure if I'll get that on video, but we're just gonna straighten up. I do have some stuff to take to the thrift store. I'll just be putting out in my car and some stuff to go in the attic, so we'll be doing that too. So let's get to going, guys. I wanna show y'all the cutest outfit, y'all. Look at this. It is a matching set from Walmart. It's the Athletic Works. Y'all, this was $15. It's just so comfy, so cute, and I love it. And now I match Beau's room. Everything in here is like navy blue. Bo's room is done. That took like 30 minutes max. Not bad. I did take the stuff out of my car. That's gonna go to the thrift store. I put up all of his clothes that are fitting him now. And then in the box, I put the clothes that are 3T, but it's like winter stuff. And I don't have any room to put them up now. So I just put them in a container until the cold weather comes. And then I also took all the stuff out of here that goes in the attic. It's like holiday stuff. Now we get to move on to another room. And just letting you know, I'm already feeling accomplished. So I hope this has given you a lot of motivation that you need. Get up, get it done. It took me 30 minutes and this whole room is done. So we moved on to Tanner's room. As you can see, it's a wreck. But Tanner and Bo have been playing really good together while I was getting other stuff done today.
Mama and Bo and Dad take a nap, and then I just play in my room.
So that is why it looks this way. That's why we're getting it all back together. Introducing superhero Tanner Joe. He's a heart hero. I would always suggest to start with the bed when you're cleaning a room, but I couldn't even walk to the bed to get all the stuff off of it and like redone. So I decided to start with the floor this time.
I'll call lightning bugs. they like.
Well, y'all, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love if you would like this and subscribe to our channel. We have a goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of summer. If y'all can help me out, I would love that. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.